Hello students, how are you? I am fine. I am Sharmin Hussain, lecturer in English, Govt Indurkani College, Indurkani, Pirozpur. Today I analysis your English class, English first paper, including answer 10 for classes 11 and 12. English for today. Today's topic is graph chart. Dear students, can you tell me what is graph or chart? Can anyone say me what is graph or chart? Can anyone? Yeah. Now I can discuss the definition of graph or chart. A graph or chart or diagram is a diagrammatical illustration of a sheet of data. If the graph is uploaded as an image file, it can be placed within some rules. Dear students, go to screen and we analyze this graph or chart. The chart shows the number of students who passed the SSC exam in the year 2015 to 2018 from Science, Humanities and Business Studies. Now describe the chart in your own language. Dear students, your fully concentration the screen and you understand this graph or chart and come the class in concentration. Passing percentage of SSC exam for 2015 to 2018. Now we analyze this graph chart. Dear students, we know that our students are science, humanities and business studies. Look at this picture and we show that 3 columns stand this picture in 2015. At first column in blue color, second color is pink color and third color is yellow color. So we identify this color and divided these 3 groups. At first color science and this percentage in 2015 89.25. Second color humanities 80%, 88%. Third color yellow business studies 92.88 in passing year 2015. Dear students, we can see 2016 science 90.2%, humanities 90%, business studies 93%. Students, 2017 science 95.12%, humanities 88%, business studies 93.25%. Students, 2018 96% in science, humanities 82%, business studies 94%. Dear students, the second picture in on the screen at first picture, second picture, third picture. Now I analyze this picture. Exam questions. The bar chart below shows the number of men and women studying engineering at Australia universities. Summarize the information in the chart by selecting the reporting the main feature. Make comparison where relevant. Now we can discuss this in year 1992, 2002 and 2012. Dear students, here we identify this picture in two colors. One is red and another is blue, and red is woman and blue is man. So we can identify this easily. Number of students studying engineering. Dear students, in 1992, students 2000 in men, 4000, 6000, 8000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000 and 16,000. 2002 red, men and women, and 2012 quarterly sales figure, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. We can discuss this quarter. In first quarter is very reason for migration to or from the UK 2007, immigration, formal study, definite job, accompany, no reason state, looking for work, other. Top tips for writing. How can we write this graph or chart? Start by saying exactly what the chart shows and the time period. That is, previous we saw this picture in skin graph chart. Describe the change or precisely as you can. Use data and numbers from the bar chart. Compare the information. Talk about difference or similarities between the groups shown. Conclude by saying what the main trends or change are. Top tips for writing. This is important issues for writing a graph or chart. The first paragraph is short. It should simply say what the chart shows and where and when it describes. Dear students, you concentrate this question and follow these rules and question. How can we write a graph or chart? Avoid repeating words in the question. Instead, use other words with the same or similar meaning. Describe the trends you can see. Use numbers from the chart. To sum up, highlight the most important things the information shows. You can also say what is likely to happen in the future. Don't try to explain the chart. In this type of exam question, you just have to describe what happened, not say why it happened. Dear students, top tips for writing. Check the wording of the question. If it asks you to summarize or describe the data, you just need to select the most significant points and report them. You do not need to interpret them or give reasons for them unless the question asks you to explain or comment on the data. Start by stating what the topic of the data is and who, where, when it relates to. Then summarize the main features. Alternatively, the summary can be your final paragraph. Use words and phrases to connect one idea to another and change the topic smoothly. You introduce a new point. Make direct comparisons in the data. Point the similarities and difference between different groups. You can use adverbs to express an opinion about you are describing. Dear students, exam questions. The bar chart below shows the number of men and women studying engineering at Australian universities. Summarize the information in the chart by selecting and reporting the main features. Make comparisons where relevant. Now we can analyze this. Two colors. One color is blue, where is men, and second color is red, where is woman. In year 1992, the bar chart illustrates the number of men and women studying engineering at Australian universities between the 1992 to 2012 at 10-year intervals. It can be seen the number of male students fell slightly from the 14,000 to 1992 to 12,000 in 2002 and the remained level through the following decades. The number of female students is relatively low, starting at 2000 in 1992. However, while the number of men decreased, the number of women increased. Female students grew steadily by 2000 each decade. This led to rise in the total number of engineering students from 16,000 to 18,000 in this period. Men continue to make up the majority of students. However, the proportion of female students increased sharply in the period. In 1992, there was a woman to every 7 men, but 2012 has had narrowed the 1 woman to every 2 men. Overall, we can see a clear upward trend in the number of female engineering students in Australia universities, while the number of male students seems to have leveled off. Dear students, we discuss about graph or chart, and next class we go a tutorial class, and you write your different things, and thank you all, and best of luck. Allah Hafiz.